In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vercel Postgres. By the end, you'll have a managed Postgres database set up on Vercel using their Prisma-enabled option ready to plug into your application. To start, open your browser and head to vercel.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. A desktop browser makes this easiest to follow, and you don't need any code prepared yet. This is just the setup. Once you're on the site, look at the top navigation and click on Storage. This takes you to Vercel's storage hub, where all their database and data tools live in one place. You'll see options like key value storage and file storage, but we're focused on a traditional relational database. Now scroll down the page until you find the Postgres area. You should see an option labeled Prisma Postgres. This is Vercel's managed Postgres paired with a Prisma-friendly setup that makes connecting from your app straightforward. It's great for quickly provisioning a database without managing servers or manual configuration. When you see Prisma Postgres, click Create. This begins the provisioning process for a new database. If a panel opens asking for confirmation or settings, you can usually proceed with the defaults for a test environment. For production, you'd review regions and plan details more carefully, but for now we're keeping it simple. Next, click Accept and Create. This confirms any terms or prompts and tells Vercel to spin up the database for you. Provisioning usually takes a short moment. Behind the scenes, Vercel is creating the database, securing credentials, and preparing the connection details you'll use later in your app. When the setup completes, click Continue. That brings you into the database overview where you can see connection information, suggested integrations, and helpful getting started guidance. You don't need to change anything here right now. Just take note of where credentials and connection strings are shown. Treat those as sensitive. Store them in environment variables and avoid sharing or committing them to source control. A few tips as you wrap up. Keep the database name clear and descriptive if you customize it. Choose a region close to your users for lower latency when you're ready for production. And review Vercel's recommended steps for using Prisma with this database if you're building a TypeScript or Node app. Everything you need to connect, host, user, database, and a single connection URL will be available on this page. That's it. You went to vercel.com, opened storage, scrolled to Prisma Postgres, clicked Create, accepted and created the database, and then continued to the dashboard. You now have Vercel Postgres ready to use in your project.